Hey doll, here comes Phumelele Zondo nondaba ofika neindaba every single week right here kwiGagasi FM News Wrap. I-NFP isize yamkhipha uMbali Shinga kwishamthetho sase-KZN ube u-MEC we-Social Development, but she's not going down without a fight. Bese-ke kuba ileya national shutdown yango-June 30. The national government ithi ayizukwenzeka leyo nto.
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Siphumelele Zondi.
The government says there is going to be no shutdown ezokwenzeka ngo-30 June njengoba silosizwa yona le date ka-30 June kungachazwa kahle kahle ukuthi what's the date of 30 June all about. Uminister uKhumbudzo Ntshabeni, minister in the presidency kuhulumeni, uthi no, there's going to be no shutdown at all kuzona zonke lezi zinto.
So South Africans have the right to protest, and they can march in terms as provided for by the Constitution. But South Africa have no right to take the law into their own hands. And as we have indicated before, there's nobody who's going to do a shutdown of this country. And we must.
So njengoba kushiwo ukuthi there's going to be no shutdown at all kulezi zinto ngo-June 30. Mhlawumbe nawe kobe usuthi ngilindile ngifuna i-microwave entsha ngiyotapa, simzwile naye uJacinta Ngobese Zuma echaza ukuthi ningayi ukuyotapa ngalo lelo langa. Kodwa ke asazi ukuthi kuyobe kwenzekani ngawo June 30 because the government is saying there is no shutdown that's going to be taking place, but sisaqhubeka le date ka June 30 kuthiwa wololo uyeza uJune 30.
We must be concerned that anti-foreigner sentiment is at times accompanied by tribal and ethnic slurs, insults and attacks aimed at other South Africans. This is not acceptable. We expect foreign nationals who are here to respect our laws.
Mhlawumbe bokuphathe ne-flag lase-South Africa ngawo uJune 30. Mhlawumbe kusazochazwa kahle ukuthi yini le ngake yenzekayo kule date kaJune 30 silosizwe ngayo ukuthi uyeza uJune 30.
We are and will continue to crack down on the violation of our immigration, labor and other laws. Secondly, we will continue to prevent people from entering the country irregularly and illegally.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi uMbali Shinga obe u-MEC we-Social Development ubeyilwa indaba yokuthi iqembu lakhe i-NFP belifuna ukumkhipha lapha kwishamthetho sase-KZN, and ungathi selze lamshonela ke ngoba it seems like useze wakhishwa kusona ishamthetho. I-NFP ithi iyamreplacer even though kungakacaci ukuthi imreplacer ngobani, kodwa ke ungathi umphathi weqembu ozomreplacer, but we are still waiting for confirmation for that. Kunama processes enzekayo khona laphaya kwishamthetho sase-KZN, kodwa indaba yokuphuma kwakhe ke has been confirmed. uNontembeko Boyce okuyena uSpeaker of Parliament or of ishamthetho sase-KZN uyasho ukuthi kunama processes ekumele enzeke kuqala before kutholakale ukuthi angangena lo muntu ofuna ukufakwa iyona i-NFP. Mawuzolibheka kahle udaba lwaShinga kwakuyindaba yokuthi kwakumele avotele ukuthi uPremier uThami Ntuli aphume esikhundleni kwi-vote of no confidence, wanqaba washaya phansi ngonyawo wavota laba
ungakhanda uhulumeni ukhale kanye nabantu nawe uthwala izandla ekhanda
sase-KZN. Lokho ke ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe naye kwakumsave ngenye indlela ngoba phela ube u-MEC, and if ubephuma bese liyamkhipha iqembu lakhe lifaka omunye umuntu kwangaphuma kwasayena kanti ubehleli comfortable as u-MEC, ngakho ke wasevota on the other side, and the party that she's with had instructed her ukuthi hayibo akaphume phela uPremier khona kuzongena laba abanye who are on the other side. Kodwa-ke asike simuzwe yena uNontembeko Boyce ukuthi ubethini.
House's attention to the fact that the NFP has informed the Speaker of the removal of their member in the House and has submitted a reviewed party list. Section 106(3)(c) provides that a person loses membership of a provincial legislature if that person ceases to be a member of the party that nominated that person as a member of the legislature. The effect of Section 106.
Engabe konke lokhu kuthini ngalabo hulumeni esinabo bobumbano abakhona all over the country really, because abanye bakhona komasipala njengoba sazi ukuthi abanye omasipala baphethwe ngokubambisana. Is the stability kulabo masipala abaphethwe ngokubambisana? Futhi ke nokhetho lomasipala siyazi ukuthi luyeza futhi ngoNovember kulonyaka, ukuthi uma kungenzeka futhi ukuthi kuba nomasipala la kubanjisana khona, engabe nakhona kuyoba into kanje ukuthi kuthiwe kuhlelo kuthiwa ayi uyazi ungathi ayisanambitheki le coalition esikuyona, sesifuna i-coalition nalaba abanye. Engabe ingathi yini na as voters lento, engabe ingawe yini as a voter lento, noma engabe political parties themselves or leaders of political parties themselves maybe basibhekelela bona ukuthi izikhundla zabo zizohamba kanjani, ukuthi mina mangifuna isikhundla kungasangihambeli kahle ngoba ninginiki lesikhundla engisifunayo, noma mina bengifuna nenze kanje anenzanga kanje, ngakho-ke imina ukingmaker la ekhaya. Ngenxa yokuthi imina ukingmaker la ekhaya sengizohamba nabanye abantu-ke ngithatha ubukingmaker bami ngibuse kubona. Is it safe? Can we trust Lama coalition government? Are they about the voter? Are they about political parties? Are they about political party leaders themselves? Ukuthi bona bavuke bezizwa kanjani ngalelo langa. Izinto lezo that are being asked, and nathi we are asking njengoba kunje. Bese kuba yilo leyadaba lwe-March and March. Ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, sometimes there are things that could be disinformation and izinto that can also be doctored, zishintshwe zingabi ilento ebeziyona. Sike sabona-ke ongathi bekhona ama-video ake asabalala andunankulu waso isizwe samaZulu, uThulasizwe Buthelezi, ongathi ubekhuluma ngokuthi kunabantu akwazi ukuba inanoma ubani nje ovela hlanganise amabutho athi awaye la efuna ukuthi aye khona. Abantu-ke ungathi bebethi kukhulunywa ngaye uPhakela Umthakathi Ndabandaba noNgizwe Mchunu esibabona behlanganisa amabutho isikhathi esiningi kuyobhikishwa kumashwe kulama march and March against illegal immigration eSouth Africa. So usekhulumile-ke undunankulu waso isizwe samaZulu uThulasizwe Buthelezi uthi no, but uJacinta Ngobese Zuma, uPhakela Umthakathi Ndabandaba kanye naye uNgizwe Mchunu beza bezolibika udaba labo, kanti indlunkulu iyazi ukuthi benza into ethi ayibe kanje, kanti umsebenzi abawenzayo bayasho ukuthi ungathi bawenzela isizwe sonkana sase South Africa and not just certain people in the Republic of South Africa. Uye wakhuluma-ke naso isiteshi se-TV i-1KZN.
Na uPhakela Umthakathi uNdabandaba, uhlelo lwakhe liyaziwa eNdlunkulu, ufikile wazobika esigodlweni eMashobeni, sasinaye emkhosini woselwa, ngakho-ke futhi uyingxenye yebutho lesilo uMphakela Umthakathi. Ngakho-ke konke akwenzayo kunesibusiso saseNdlunkulu ngoba akathuki inhlamba, akalwi namuntu, akahlaseli muntu. Kodwa lo msebenzi abawenzayo umsebenzi osemqoka wokuqoqa abantu ngaphansi kophawu lokuthi uthotshelwe umthetho, kungabe bikho abantu abasezweni ngokungemthetho.
I also think we need to be careful uma sibheka iy'nkundla zokuxhumana ngoba there's a lot of incitement, abantu abaguqula nezinto ebeshiwo laphaya kuma-social media, kakhulukazi ngazo lezi zinto zama-march against illegal foreigners eSouth Africa. Uthola ukuthi abantu baney'nhloso zabo ey'thize, ezinye awuzazi, abanye baguqula nento ebishiwo abanye kuthiwa kuhamba kanje kushiwo kanje and ungathola ukuthi sekuyinto esingayi-understandi some of the time seqanjwa amanga ngesinye isikhathi njengoba ke kuchaziwe kusona lesimo ukuthi no, that was from a different event at a different time, kukhulunywa ngezinye izinto bengingakhulunywa ngakho lokhu, kodwa ke abantu sebekuthathile bakunambitha bakushare kuma social media platforms and kwaba ilento ke abafuna kube iyona and sekuyavela ukuthi cha bengeyona into ekanjalo. Uma kunezimo ekanje, there is a lot of disinformation that also does the rounds. Ngakho ke kumina uSiphumelele Zondi ungayithola le podcast njengoba sihlale sikunikeza njalo ama podcast seshintshile. We are on Mondays now and uyakwazi ukuyithola kwi-app yayo iGagasi FM. Nawe mawufuna ukusitshela eyakho imbono, bhala khona la ngaphansi usitshele yakhe imbono, mhlambe nayo singayicubungula nje khona la in future sizwe ukuthi yini engaka ofuna ukukhuluma ngayo nathi nabanye ke ababuka wona lama podcast ethu ayo iGagasi FM News Wrap. Mina nawe we'll talk about these things uma sehlangana where we usually meet.
Catch a brand new episode. You can watch the vodcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.